Over the last few years, we've seen it all: financial markets swinging wildly, inflation at record highs, and bank collapses that leave Americans feeling more uncertain about their futures than ever before. In fact, it's no surprise that many of us are asking the same question: how do I protect my hard earned savings from all this chaos? But what if there was one asset that stood the test of time, an asset that has historically thrived in times of economic uncertainty, providing real stability when everything else feels like it's on shaky ground? Well, there is one. It's been a go-to strategy for smart investors, especially retirees, for years, and it's something you might already be familiar with: gold, specifically a gold IRA. But what's so special about a gold IRA in today's economy? Let me show you. Take the story of John and Mary, a couple from Florida who worked their whole lives to build their retirement savings. They had their IRAs and 401ks, and for years things were going well. But when inflation surged and the stock market began its downward spiral, they started to worry. They were watching their nest egg shrink, and the thought of losing everything they had worked so hard for kept them up at night. One day, after reading some news about how the dollar was weakening and the banks were facing issues, they decided to take action. They rolled over $520,000 of their traditional retirement savings into a gold IRA. Fast forward to today, John and Mary are not just surviving, they're thriving. Their gold-backed IRA has continued to hold its value while the markets have been volatile. They're now more confident than ever about their future and their ability to leave a lasting legacy for their children and grandchildren. It's a story that's becoming more common among retirees. In fact, many people are finding that gold provides a safe harbor in the storm. But why is this the case? Why are so many people choosing gold right now? Well, it's simple. Gold is a hedge against inflation. When traditional currencies lose value, gold tends to go up. It's a store of value that's been trusted for thousands of years. And in times of financial instability, like what we're seeing now, gold's historical performance makes it a smart, stable choice for retirement. And here's the best part. You can roll over your existing IRA or 401k into a gold IRA with no tax penalties. The process is easier than you think. In fact, it's one of the best ways to protect your retirement savings from potential losses in the future. But don't just take my word for it. Look at what's happening with major financial experts and the real data. As global tensions rise and markets wobble, gold continues to rise as a preferred asset for wealth preservation. President Biden has even mentioned the importance of diversifying financial holdings, something that's especially true when traditional savings accounts and investments are under threat. Now, if you're like most retirees, the idea of changing anything about your retirement savings might seem daunting. I understand it's a big decision, but here's what you need to know. There are no pressure sales tactics, no gimmicks, no free silver offers that don't really help you. You deserve a personalized, one-on-one educational call where you can learn if a gold IRA is the right fit for you. That's all. A conversation where you're empowered to make the best decision for your future. So, here's what I want you to do. Click the link below to get your free gold IRA guide today. You'll learn everything you need to know about this powerful asset, and you'll get the chance to have a quick, no-obligation call with an expert. It's completely free, and you'll get all the information you need to make an informed decision. Don't wait until the next financial crisis hits. Protect your retirement now, and ensure that the wealth you've built lasts for generations. Your future deserves it, and so do you. Take action today. Click the link below and get your free gold IRA guide. You've worked hard for your retirement, and now it's time to protect it. Start your journey today and give yourself the peace of mind you deserve. No pressure, no gimmicks, just real valuable information. Because when it comes to your retirement, you should have the stability that you deserve.